The item that I want to show you today is very rare and unique item. As you can see, this is 크리스찬 루부탱. Let me show you the box first. Name of that is Pik Boat Flat Python something. And the size itself is 43. Price. Okay, let's see the details of the shoe. As you can see, there are spikes all over the place. The front part and the special feature of the python, as you can see, it's somewhat fragile, I guess. It's try to fall off right over here, but you know. Look at the color, bluish color against the light. Isn't it beauty? Inside is a 크리스찬 루부탱 Paris, and there's a size of the shoe. Can't really spot. Yeah, 43. And take a look at the bottom. And then traditional 크리스찬 루부탱's red, glassy, very glassy. Yeah. Oops. And they carry extra 2 spikes in case if you lose some of the spikes over there, and yeah, that's inside this spot. Can you see this? Two of the extra spikes. So pretty much it. This is 크리스찬 루부탱 Pik Boat Flat Python.